Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Disney Midnight Masquerade PR collection for $158.25. You can do Afterpay with this, so you can do multiple payments. This did come out a while ago, but I just got it for Christmas, so that's why I'm just now filming this video. I don't think it makes it any less important. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I also got the first Disney collection when it launched. I did not get the PR box, but I did get the collection. I was so excited. So now with this one, I got the PR box. Let's unbox. So this box is just beautiful. It says Disney Designer Collection by ColourPop. It has all the princesses up the side. It's just a nice and sturdy, beautiful box. When you open it up, it looks like books. So it looks like books in a bookcase. It is beautiful. It's like blue and gold and everything you expect in a princess collection. So we're going to start here. Here we have the Disney Designer Collection Midnight Masquerade palette. I'm gonna go ahead and color swatch them. Okay guys, this is the palette and my swatches in the same order. As you can see, the color payoff is amazing. The glitter chunks, oh my gosh, they are fantastic. Everything about this palette is amazing and exactly the colors you would expect in a Disney princess palette, especially this glitter. Now that we've seen the eyeshadow palette, it's time to go through each of the princesses and check out what comes in their little book. So first we have Beauty and the Beast, the Belle bundle. It looks like this. You open it up, it's beautiful. Then we have a blush and a liquid lip. So the blush for Belle, and Belle's liquid lip is the color Beast. Next we have Once Upon a Dream, which is the Aurora bundle. The blush slash highlighter in the color Coronation. And the liquid lip in the color Prince Philip. Notice all the liquid lips are named after the princes. Then we have Topsy Turvy, the Esmeralda bundle. The blush is the color Court of Miracles, and the liquid lip is Phobius. Then we have the Down in New Orleans Tina bundle. The blush is Kissing a Frog, and the liquid lip is Prince Naveen. Next we have the Zero to Hero Megara bundle. I'm not even sure who that is, to be honest. I think it's from Hercules. We have the highlighter, Big Tough Girl. I love this. It's like kind of purple and iridescent-y. And then we have the liquid lip Wonder Boy. Next we have the Ever Ever After Giselle bundle. The blush in Andalesha, I don't know. And the liquid lip in the color Prince Edward. Next, A Dream is the Wish Your Heart Makes Cinderella bundle. The highlighter in Horse and Carriage. and the liquid lip in the color Prince Charming. And last but not least, the I See the Light Rapunzel bundle. The Rapunzel blush in Floating Lights. And the Rapunzel liquid lip in the color Flynn. Okay guys, so that is what comes in the Disney Midnight Masquerade PR collection. I 100% believe this is worth the $158. It's beautiful, the quality is amazing, like, oh, you can use it or you can display it. I don't even know what I want to do, honestly. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Comment down below if you want to see me unbox anything else. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. If you would like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.